Africa is an important market for Huawei. It's a growing market and there's a lot of potential for development. I think South Africa is a very relevant part of Africa, which is why I think we feel that it's an important place to focus.
No matter how far apart, let's have a heart-to-heart, uniting one to another, friends, lovers, sisters, brothers. It doesn't matter who you are. I am because you are. Because when we get together, we can make our Africa better. I feel like that's one of the most powerful messages that anybody can send to a group of people to remind them that we're humans first. And I think the song and Connectunity is it's a powerful message that everybody needs to hear.
Connectunity is a term that we created to show the importance of connectivity in helping to build unity for the people. Connectivity and unity, both important for the progress and growth of the country.
It's a feel-good song on its own. Just the beat and how the melody and everything fits together. It is one of those that you kind of jam to.
Our contribution to this society really is to help to connect everyone so that the people of South Africa can benefit from it.